I gotta sit up, gotta look good, gotta hide my pot belly. So, I'm going to vlog today. I don't really think it's vlogging. Am I vlogging? What is this? I'm just gonna sand this. It's got a little bit of rust right here from that girl going the wrong way in traffic. I guess it knocked some paint off and we straightened it back out with a screwdriver because we don't do body work around here. Got to make this fender here match this here little piece. And yeah, I got water. I already sprayed it like 8 times. So it's my SORCERY sticker on here. And 400 grit sandpaper. Gonna sand it. Ten cans later. I don't even know why I'm wasting the time taping this, because I totally just spray painted this fender too in the first place. But I'm trying to be like, you know. So painted the fender, came out sick. No, I didn't really. I had to fucking wet sand it and fix it because I suck. And I actually messed up where I taped it. But whatever, it's fixed now. So I painted it again off camera. So take your time, kids. When you're taping things, put it along the edges. Because I totally made a mistake and it was right across it and I spray painted, kind of messed up. And I had to redo it and clean it up, clean up a mess. But that's fixed. The little corner thing that I wanted to fix that was rusting a little bit, fixed that. I tried to spray paint my other fender because it's a little cloudy. That didn't work. Doesn't matter. Seems like it wants to be cloudy forever. Whatever. But I got new skate shoes. So I want to skate again. I want to try and get a little bit of skateboarding in. Getting old, but my toe was broken for a while and then I didn't get it like checked out and I just walked around on it and I banged it in a bunch of things. Took like 3 times as long to heal, but got new shoes finally. And yeah, I am going to skateboard again. It's like, shoes are so new, they're like sticky. Just want to get back on this and try and kickflip and see if I can get my feet back. I feel like I've just been swimming for like weeks and now like I have jello legs and all that stuff. Whoa. So ugly, so ugly. Maybe I need to work on just pushing around a little bit and get back into the feel of it. But I always feel like when I get back on my skateboard, I gotta like kick flip and hard flip and stuff, but my arms hurt already. I'm like, whew, out of breath. All right, I'm just gonna end this here. Okay. Let's go on the road.